we draw these angles?
The 9 pieces. What?
A red eye.
Never mind.
Your heart.
Okay. How do I draw these? How do I draw these? How do I draw these angles?
9 lines. 4, 9, 7.
Whenever I have these, I need to think about what is pi. Yeah. Pi is 180 degrees.
What?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They teach this.
I never learned that.
Wait, is 180 degrees and 3.14 the same thing?
Huh?
Is 3.14 and 180 degrees the same thing? Like,
Yeah. In
3.14.
3.14 is a ratio that deals with pi, but in our case, but yes, pi is 3.14, right? But in radians, when we're talking radians, we're talking about how many 3.14s there are in a circle. Okay, there's 2 pi's in a circle.
Oh yeah.
Right?
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, so there's 1 pi in a half circle. Okay, and so when you break this up into 9 pieces, you have to break this up into 9 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and see that piece is actually 2. That's not 2 pieces. That's 1 piece. You see that? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could have done it a little better, but 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So it's 9 pieces. Okay? And if we think about that, how many degrees is in each piece?
10. Oh, 2.
How many? 2? But 20?
Yep.
Right? So there's 20 degrees in each piece. Does that make sense? So when I do 8/9, and I'm positive, so that means I'm going to right here. Does that make sense? So how far away, what's the reference angle here? Right? Wouldn't that be pi over 9? Like 1 pi over 9? Or in other words, 20 degrees? Right? So that's how I would draw that. Okay? Does that make sense?
Not really.
Alright, so we know that there's 1 pi, right? Then you're saying, hey, 9 pi over 9. That would be 1 pi, right? So I'm going to break this up into 9 pieces. Right? And then my angle is going to be 8 pi over 9. So 8/9 pi. 8/9 pi means I have 8 of these 9 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of the whole pie. 8 of 9. So I have...
Oh.
Someone got it. So I have 8, right? 8 of the 9 pieces. There's 9 in pi, because pi is 180 degrees. No?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. So just think, pi is 180. Pi is halfway around, half of a circle, 180 degrees. When I'm talking about 8/9 of that, I have to break that up into 9 pieces. Watch on this one. It's 3 pieces, right? That means I'm going to break this up into 1, 2, 3 pieces. Okay? 1, 2, 3. It looks like, what's that? Pursuit. Trivial Pursuit.
What? Sure.
Right? Never mind. You guys don't.
Kind of.
You guys don't think on the weekend. You just party. Okay. Well, not you, of course. Alright, so Now think about this. Okay? Now I have 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 pieces. But I need to go to 7. Because it's 7 over 3. Right? So 7 pieces brings me all the way to here. Okay?
Dang it.
Now how far is this? Well, this piece right here could be looked at as pi over 3. Right? And this piece from here to here could be viewed as 2 pi over 3. It's just how you want to view it. I don't know how you want to view it, so you're going to write it the way you want to view it. Okay? But that's how you would draw it. Alright? And if we think about that, how many times is 3 going to 180?
60.
60. That means each of these pieces is 60 degrees. Right? So that means it goes around 160, 360 plus 60, which is 420. You get that, right? Now you get it. All right. See? See? Now you can be wearing a shirt that says 7 pi over 3 and just be the only one knowing you be at 420. It's like, be the nerd.
Like you're 1 pie, I want a piece of pie or something.
Yeah.
I want a slice.
It helps to be nerdy.
Is it 360? Like, how did you get 420 again? My fault.
So we got 420 because we went around one whole time, right?
Yeah.
And that's 360. And then we went another 60, right? So 360 plus 60,
Oh, okay.
420. So another name for 420 is 7 pi over 3. These are the same thing. I didn't do it. That was computer generated.
Done, done.
Are we done?
Son.
Yeah.